18 minus 4 equals 14, right? Times 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Now 14 times 2 equals 28, right? Plus 6 divided by 3. Now 28 plus 6 equals 34 divided by 3. Okay, 34 divided by 3 equals, okay, 34 divided by 3 equals 11.33. This gives us 11.33, but this is wrong. Why? Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule, right? We use PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. So multiply first, then divide, right? 18 minus 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 6 divided by 3. Now divide first. 18 minus 8 plus 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. 18 minus 8 equals 10 plus 2. Now 10 plus 2 equals 12.